Hey guys, I am excited to show you this humidifier that I have here. It works great. It's got some auto shut-off features. It can work great in any area of the house, especially this time of year. It's so important to have one of these. So first things first, I'm going to open it and we'll see what it looks like inside, and then we'll try it out and see how it works. Okay, so you can see it comes with this instruction manual, which of course is really important, and then it's got this really nice sleek design. So the humidifier itself looks nice. It's not going to look as tacky as a lot of humidifiers look, and it works really great. Also comes with this thermometer here, which tells you what percentage of humidity and also the degrees in whatever room this is in. So that helps you keep track of when you should turn it off and on and whatnot. So let's see how it works now.